The 2024 Newell P50 is a luxurious motorhome that feels more like a five-star hotel on wheels. Custom built to match your personal taste, it offers everything you could want for high-end travel. This massive 45-foot RV comes with 4 slide-outs that expand to give you a spacious and stylish living area wherever you park. It's powered by a strong 605 horsepower Cummins X15 diesel engine, so it drives smoothly even with all the luxury packed inside. Inside, you'll find elegant leather seating, a full kitchen, a spa-style bathroom, and a cozy bedroom, all made with top-quality materials like hardwood, quartz, and marble. Everything feels premium, from the lighting to the smart touchscreen control panels that manage things like temperature, lights, cameras, and more. The P50 also features advanced driving tech like electronic steering and active suspension, making it easy to handle on highways and even in windy conditions. Azimut Tepui. The Azimut Tepui is a rugged and luxurious expedition motorhome built for serious off-road adventures without sacrificing comfort. Designed on a powerful man-truck chassis, it's equipped to tackle harsh terrains while offering a cozy premium living space inside. Its robust build includes all-terrain tires, a high ground clearance, and advanced suspension, making it perfect for remote and wild destinations. Inside, the Tepui feels like a modern mobile apartment. It features a spacious layout with stylish finishes, a fully equipped kitchen with induction cooktop and fridge, a comfortable seating area, and a dedicated workspace. The bathroom includes a full shower, toilet, and even a washer-dryer combo, ensuring you stay fresh even off the grid. The sleeping area comes with a cozy double bed and smart storage solutions. With solar panels on the roof, large water tanks, and a powerful battery system, the Azimut Tepui supports long off-grid journeys. The CMC Sea Gold Edition is a special edition vehicle that combines luxury, performance, and smart design in one impressive package. With its bold styling and elegant gold accents, it stands out wherever it goes. This edition is built for those who want something more refined and premium, offering upgraded features, enhanced comfort, and advanced technology. Inside, it's spacious and thoughtfully designed, providing a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. Whether you're navigating city streets or heading out on longer journeys, the Sea Gold Edition offers reliable performance and eye-catching looks. It's not just about power, it's about the perfect balance between function and style. Every detail, from the interior trim to the exterior finish, is crafted to give you a sense of sophistication and class. This is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement of taste and quality, perfect for those who value comfort, safety, and standout design. Deathlef eHome. The Deathlef's eHome is a modern electric motorhome built for those who care about the environment but still want to travel in comfort and style. It runs completely on electric power, meaning there are no emissions or noisy engines, just smooth, quiet driving. Built on the Iveco Daily Electric platform, it uses powerful lithium batteries and solar panels on the roof to help extend its driving range. This makes it perfect for long, eco-friendly adventures. Inside, the eHome feels just like a cozy mobile home. It includes a comfortable sleeping space, a stylish sitting area, a fully equipped kitchen with an induction stove and fridge, and a clean, modern bathroom with a shower and toilet. Everything is designed to use energy efficiently, with LED lights and smart systems that help save battery power while keeping you comfortable. What makes the Deathlef eHome so special is its perfect mix of green technology and luxury living. Foretravel Realm FS6. The Foretravel Realm FS6 is a luxury motorhome built for travelers who want maximum comfort and style on the road. It's powered by a strong Cummins X15 engine with 605 horsepower and sits on a reliable Spartan K4 chassis, making it smooth and powerful on highways and long journeys. It comes packed with modern features like a hydraulic leveling system, a 4-camera setup for better visibility, keyless entry, and an electric awning with LED lights. Step inside, and it feels just like a luxury home. There's custom-made furniture, heated leather seats, and a king-size bed with an adjustable base for extra comfort. In the living room, you'll find a cozy fireplace and a huge 50-inch TV with a Bose sound system, while the bedroom has its own 32-inch TV. For outdoor fun, there's an entertainment center with a TV and soundbar. The kitchen is fully loaded with a residential refrigerator, a microwave, and convection oven combo. The Heimer Grand Canyon S4x4 is the perfect camper van for anyone who loves exploring off the beaten path without giving up comfort. Built on the strong Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 base, it can easily tackle rough roads, hills, mud, and snow, letting you travel to remote places with full confidence. Inside, it's designed like a mini home on wheels, complete with a comfy bed, a small but smart kitchen, and even a compact bathroom. Everything is neatly arranged to make the most of the space, with plenty of storage and high-quality materials that feel both cozy and modern. Whether you're heading into the mountains or taking a long road trip, this van has all the essentials to keep you comfortable and self-sufficient. Its off-road abilities, combined with solar power and smart energy systems, mean you can stay off-grid longer and enjoy more freedom. The InTech OVR is a game-changing travel trailer built for those who crave outdoor adventures with comfort and style. Designed with a rugged aluminum frame and off-road tires, it's ready to tackle challenging terrains without compromising luxury. The trailer features a sleek, modern design that feels more like a boutique hotel than a camper. Inside, you'll find a spacious interior with a cozy sleeping area, a full kitchen with premium appliances, and a bathroom that includes a shower and toilet. Perfect for extended road trips. Panoramic windows flood the space with natural light and connect you to the outdoors while maintaining a cozy indoor vibe. Smart storage options keep your gear organized, and the integrated entertainment system ensures you stay entertained wherever you go. The Kabe Royal Tower is one of the most unique and eye-catching caravans ever built. Created by Swedish company Kabe to mark its 50th anniversary, this incredible two-story caravan looks more like a luxury apartment than a camper. Standing at an unbelievable 4.5 meters tall and nearly 10 meters long, it's known as the tallest caravan ever made in Europe. Inside, it's packed with comfort and style. The lower level features a full kitchen with a gas stove, a large fridge, and even a dishwasher. There's also a cozy dining area with leather seating, a spacious bedroom, and a private bathroom. But the real surprise is upstairs. The second floor includes a relaxing lounge area that can be used as a home office, movie room, or chill-out zone. It even opens out onto a rooftop terrace, perfect for relaxing in the sun or enjoying views at the campsite. The caravan also includes underfloor heating and a modern ventilation system for year-round comfort. The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 is a powerful and versatile van built for those who crave adventure and need serious reliability. Its advanced all-wheel drive system gives you confidence on rough roads, snowy paths, and off-road terrains, making it ideal for both professional use and outdoor escapes. The spacious interior can be customized into a mobile office, delivery van, or a full camper setup, offering endless possibilities. Under the hood, it features a strong diesel engine that delivers great performance even when carrying heavy loads. Safety is a top priority too, with features like lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and a rear-view camera helping you stay protected on every trip. Whether you're driving through the city or exploring remote areas, the Sprinter 4x4 combines rugged durability with a sleek, modern design. It's built to handle the toughest conditions while keeping you comfortable and connected on the road. Movable Roots JoJo Bean Series. The Movable Roots JoJo Bean Series is a compact yet stylish tiny home designed for those who want big features in a small space. With its cozy footprint, it's perfect for minimalist living or weekend getaways. Despite its size, it doesn't skimp on comfort. The interior includes a comfortable living area, a loft-style sleeping space, and a full kitchen with modern appliances. There's also a bathroom with a walk-in shower, making it feel like a real home on wheels. High-quality materials and smart storage solutions ensure everything has its place. The large windows bring in natural light, making the space feel open and bright. Its customizable design allows you to tailor it to your lifestyle, whether you're living off-grid or need a mobile office. Built on a sturdy trailer frame, the JoJo Bean is easy to tow and relocate. It's ideal for travelers, tiny house enthusiasts, or anyone looking for a more sustainable, clutter-free lifestyle. North Ascender Truck. The North Ascender Truck is a rugged and stylish overlanding vehicle built to take you off the beaten path in comfort. Designed for adventure seekers, it combines a powerful Ford F550 chassis with a custom-built aluminum camper shell that can handle rough terrains with ease. Inside, it features a warm and inviting space with a cozy sleeping area, a well-equipped kitchen, and a compact bathroom with a shower and toilet. The camper includes solar panels, lithium batteries, and an advanced power management system, allowing you to stay off-grid for longer. Large windows bring in natural light, while high-end insulation keeps the interior comfortable in any weather. The Podex Go Grande S1 is a stylish, high-tech tiny home on wheels designed for modern living and travel. With its futuristic exterior and smart design, it offers a perfect blend of mobility, comfort, and sustainability. Built using lightweight but durable materials, the Grande S1 is easy to tow and can be set up almost anywhere, from scenic mountainsides to peaceful forests or even your own backyard. Inside, it's packed with smart features that make everyday life easier and more enjoyable. There's a spacious sleeping area, a fully equipped kitchen with a stove and fridge, a modern bathroom with a shower and toilet, and plenty of storage throughout. The living space is bright and airy thanks to large panoramic windows, and everything is powered by solar panels and energy-efficient systems. You can also control lighting, temperature, and security from your smartphone. Raptor X. The Raptor X is a tough and stylish off-road camper made for people who love outdoor adventures. Built to handle rough trails and wild terrains, it combines strength with comfort in a way that's perfect for explorers. Its strong body and high ground clearance make it ideal for off-grid trips, while its bold design gives it a powerful presence on the road. Inside, you'll find a cozy living space with everything you need, like a soft bed, a small kitchen, and smart storage areas to keep your gear tidy. It also comes with solar panels and water tanks, so you can stay out in nature longer without worrying about power or water. Thanks to its advanced suspension and durable tires, the Raptor X can go through rocky paths, muddy trails, and sandy roads without breaking a sweat. Whether you're escaping for the weekend or going on a long road adventure, this camper is ready to follow you anywhere. Seal 7-point Factors. The Seal 750Me is a stylish and compact motorhome that perfectly balances comfort and convenience. With its sleek design and smart layout, it offers everything you need for life on the road. This 7.5-meter motorhome comes equipped with a cozy sleeping area, a fully functional kitchen, a compact bathroom, and a relaxing lounge space that easily converts for extra sleeping. Despite its size, it feels surprisingly spacious thanks to its clever interior planning and modern features. The Seal 7.50-meter is ideal for couples or small families who love to travel without sacrificing the comforts of home. It includes energy-efficient lighting, practical storage solutions, and reliable heating and cooling systems to keep you comfortable in all seasons. Its maneuverability makes it perfect for both city driving and countryside escapes, offering freedom and flexibility wherever you go. Snoozebox is a smart and portable hotel made from shipping containers, designed to offer quick and comfortable accommodation anywhere you need it. These mobile rooms can be set up in less than 48 hours, making them perfect for festivals, sporting events, or temporary housing. Each Snoozebox unit is compact but cleverly designed, offering a cozy stay with everything you'd expect from a hotel. Inside, you'll find air conditioning or heating, a comfy bed, a private bathroom with a shower, a flat-screen TV, Wi-Fi, power outlets, a safe, and keycard access for security. The interior layout is super flexible. During the day, it can function as a small lounge or workspace, and at night, it easily transforms into a comfortable bedroom with fold-out beds. Snoozebox rooms can be set up as singles, twins, doubles, or even family style with bunk beds for 4 people. Since each unit includes its own water, power, and waste systems, there's no need for external hookups.